going to school by going to have myself time. This is everywhere. Almost myself attention going to school by going to the work time. I can be on that. Starting out in about going to school by going to my gentle land. It's a business. Hey Floyd, best costume. Thank you for the advice, Isaiah. You're welcome. Okay, class, today we're going to study English language. Uh-oh, that's not good. Why, Isaiah? Because I'm an international person here, I don't want her to learn about those English bad words. Isaiah, I won't learn any bad language or anything, Isaiah. I promise to let any good words slip through. Okay, see. Alright, class, now we're going to study the action of the weird styles in their other languages. Oh no, Lucy's back again. Hold her ears, madam. He'll still kill Linus. No, Lucy, not on my 10th birthday. She's going to say it.